Hello and welcome all my dear second standard genius students. How have you been? I hope my dear students, like I said, you all are genius. I hope that you all are doing great in your studies. Not only in my subjects but in all the subjects. I hope that you are watching all the lectures and you are sending feedbacks in the form of your work, your homework and the work done in our lectures. I hope that you are even connected with your follow-up teachers because follow-up teachers are also trying their level best to get your names to your subject teachers if you are sending the work to them regularly. See, they are the pathway for your work. Only if you send your work to them will they be able to write your name in the regular students. So I hope that you are doing great jobs in your all the lectures. Now, welcome once again in the grammar lecture. My students, I hope that you all have watched my previous lecture of grammar. Have you watched? Some of you might be saying yes, very few of you might be saying no because of some or the other reason. Students, if possible, never miss out the lectures. Watch it in the sequence it has been uploaded so that you will be able to climb the steps properly. If you want to climb the steps, what is the way? For example, these are the steps. You have to just climb the steps one by one. If you try to jump it over, you can fall down. So this is the reason why I always ask you to watch the lectures in the sequence so that only if you have understood the topic of the previous lecture will you be able to understand the topic and solve the exercises of high level. So let's get started. What is our today's plan? We are going to solve the remaining exercises. If possible, both the exercises will be solved and we will enjoy solving few more opposite words and you will have the much more knowledge about the other opposite words which we will learn today. So let's get started now. I hope you are ready with your books. I'm giving you a couple of seconds to be ready either with your textbook or with your rough book. You know that if you have textbook it is very easy for you to solve in that, or else at least the answers you will have to note it down in your rough book. And in the previous lecture at the end I asked you to be ready with the books. For the next lecture when you sit, you have to already keep the books with you. So please open page number 64 if you are having the textbook and be ready with the rough books, those who are not having the textbooks. Now I'm going to display the textbook on the screen. Students, this is the chapter we started in the previous lecture. I already explained you these examples and the definition which says that what opposite words exactly are. Then we solved this exercise. So my dear students, now we are going to move towards the next exercise, exercise number 2, which is fill in the blanks with the opposite of the highlighted words, and you have to choose your answer from this box given. Now, the answers are haphazardly given here, they are scattered. They are not obviously given in the sequence. What you have to do? You have to read the sentence, you have to observe the only highlighted word for which you have to find the opposite words from the box. And then you have to fill in the blanks. Once you fill in the blanks, and then if you will read the sentence, you can observe with the opposite words how the sentence makes the meaning and what is the meaning of the sentence. So students, let us solve the second exercise now. I hope that whenever I will give you the time to solve it, few seconds when you are getting it, you will try to guess the correct answer and you will try to write it down roughly in your book. So let's get started. And also, whenever you start picking up the words from the box, you have to mark them one by one so that you do not forget that the words which you have already written are occupied. So let's get started. Let us solve this exercise. Question A. The maths test was difficult, but the English test was dash. Now, the word difficult is highlighted. Yes, I know for many of the people, maths test is always difficult. But my subject is difficult? No. If it is not difficult, then what is the opposite of that? Find it out from the box. Your time starts now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? Can you say that the maths test was difficult but the English test was heavy? No. We do not measure the mass of the test. So what is the opposite of difficult? See, difficult is highlighted. What is the opposite of that? Difficult means very tough, very hard. So what is the opposite of that? Obviously the word easy is the opposite of that word difficult or tough. So let us write the answer over here. Easy. The maths test was difficult, but the English test was easy. You always say, right, whenever you meet me, that sir, the test was very easy. So now I hope you know that opposite of difficult is easy. And I hope that all the tests, the difficult tests will also be easy for you if you prepare well. Anyways, moving on to next question, number B. Question B, I mean to say. This box is dash, but that box is light. Oh, you mean tube light? No. This light does not mean that tube light or the light from the bulb. Light means which is not very, which does not has much more weight. So the things which does not has much more weight are called light things. You see, paper is light in the weight, then your pencil is light in the weight, but sometimes your school bag is not light in the weight. So what is it? What is the opposite of light if we compare in the weight? Your time starts now. Try to find out the answer. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the correct answer? Is it old? No. Is it heavy? Yes. Opposite of light is heavy. I hope that you have written the same answer. Students, if your answer goes wrong, don't worry about it at all. At least if you will try, you will enjoy if your answer goes right. Don't you think so? So please write the correct answer if you have not at all written the answer or if you have written incorrect answer. For those who have written the correct answer, are able to find the correct answer, very well done. And keep it up. Next question, question C. Aman ordered a big cake, but he got a dash piece. Now the cake is in the size, it is big. But a piece is what? What is the opposite of big? Find it out. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Did you find the answer? What is the opposite of the word big? If you compare two objects, you say this is big. Then what is the other one called? Obviously, small. So let us write the answer. Small. I hope that you have written the same answer if you tried to find it out. And I hope that at least 90% of the students are trying to find out the answers on their own. Question D. He reached the library early, but the others were dash. Here the word early is highlighted. So obviously you have to find the opposite word of early. So Opposite of early is, I know many of you might be shouting the answer that sir, this is the answer. Few students might not have gotten the answer still. When we say that today you have to reach school early, so what is the opposite of that? When you do not reach early, what do we call you? We call you latecomer, right? So the opposite of early is late. Let us write the answer. L-A-T-E, late. It is not let. L-E-T, no. L-E-T is let and L-A-T is late. This is the difference when you pronounce it. English is also all about pronunciation, so you have to learn that along with what you study in grammar. Next question is question E. My dress is new, but my shoes are dash. Okay, if you have bought the new dress and you wear it, you say, oh, my dress is new, but you do not have new shoes. So what is the opposite of new? Find out the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer from here? Is the opposite of new wide? No. Then smooth? Obviously not. Then old? Yes. Opposite of the word new is old. So let us write the answer here. My dress is new, but my shoes are old. Have you written the same answer? Then you are absolutely right. Now those who have written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 answers correct, they are really genius. Correct in the sense, before I marked it, if you have written it on your own, then you are really genius. Let's move towards the next page, 165 page number. Question F. Satin is dash, but jute is rough. Now, you need to understand rough, only then will you be able to find out the meaning of it, the opposite of it, I mean to say. So, rough means the thing which is like very much spoiled. Now we say rough roads, we say rough book. So, it can be in the different sense. Now, find out the opposite of that. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the answer? What is the opposite word for the word rough? Smooth. So let us write the answer here. It is smooth. Now the next question is question G. Grandmother is old now, but that is a picture of her when she was dash. Obviously, grandmother means the mother of our father. Obviously, she is going to be old in the age. But now when we say that grandmother is old now, here the word old is highlighted. That means you need to find out the opposite of the word old. Okay, so if you compare this word in the context of age, that someone is old, can you say new? No. Old and new we compare in the context of something, some object, that this is old, this is new. But now if we say old in the age, then what is the opposite of that? Here is the box. Your time starts now. Try to find it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you find the answer for it? What is the opposite of old? Can you say tall? No, not really. Can you say cool? Obviously not. Grandma might be cool, but that does not mean cool is the answer. Can you say young? Yes. Now if you are comparing the age, and then if we say old to someone, if we say they are old, the opposite of that is young. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope that you have written the same answer here. So grandmother is old now, but that is a picture of her when she was young. The next question is question H. These roads are dashed, but those lanes are narrow. So here, my dear students, you need to understand the highlighted word is narrow. Now what do you mean by lanes are narrow? Lanes means the street near your house with a very less space where even hardly one vehicle can move at a time, that is called narrow. So what is the opposite of that? The roads are having the big spaces, right? So what do we call to those kinds of roads? So your time starts now. Find out the opposite word of narrow in this from this box. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the opposite of the word narrow? Wide. W-I-D-E. Wide is the opposite word. I hope that you have written the same answer. The roads are wide, but those lanes are narrow. So lanes near your house, the streets near your house, we can call it narrow lanes. Or the highway, we can call that the roads are wide in the highway, on the highway. Now the next question is question I. The days are warm, but the evenings are dashed. So warm means hot. So what is the opposite of that? Find it out. What is the opposite word used for the climates? If it is warm, then what is the opposite of that? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the opposite of warm? Can you say tall is the opposite? No, not really. Can you say cool? Yes. Now if you can say here, let us write the answer first. I hope that you have written at least this answer before I told you the answer. This is very easy one. The days are warm, but the evenings are cool. Now the last question for this exercise number 2. Then we will move on to the next exercise. Question J. Anil is dashed, but Nitin is short. Now here short in the sense height of Nitin is less, but the height of Anil is more than the Nitin. So what is the opposite of short? Now I am not going to display the box because you know that only one option is remaining and that will be the answer. But that is why I am not going to display the box. Try to write the answer on your own. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The correct answer is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. So I hope that you have written the same answer. With this we have finished exercise number 2 as well. Let us solve few questions from exercise number 3 now. Here this exercise, students, is very interesting for you. It is a kind of game we can understand. See, what do you have to do? In each set, circle the opposite of the highlighted word. That means here these are the questions on the left hand side, the left hand side are the questions and the right hand side are the options. So basically red color are the questions, the highlighted ones are the questions. Now what you have to do, say for example this is the question, then in this line these are the options. From these 3 options you have to find out the opposite word of the main question. Now question is light. Light in the weight can be one example which we saw in the previous exercise. But here light means light in the color. So if if some colors are light, what is the opposite of that? Your time starts now. Try to find the answer out of these three. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the correct answer? Which is the opposite word of the light? Dark is the correct answer. We can say that this color is light color, but this color is dark color. Correct? So these are the words we are using, but sometimes when asked in the exam, you don't remember. So I hope this was very easy. Let us solve few more. Safe. When you say that situation is safe, you are safe, or the money is safe, your necklace is safe, your other things, your home is safe. So what is the opposite of safe? Your time starts now. These are the three options in the line. Find out the opposite word for safe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Opposite of safe is dangerous. I hope that you have highlighted the same answer. Those who are having rough book, I hope that students, you are also solving it. Question, options, everything is there on the screen. So I hope that you are trying to find out the answer and jot it down in your rough book. Question C. Strong. Oh, your sir is really very strong. So what is the opposite of that? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the opposite of the word strong? Can you say heavy? No, you can't say that. Can you say thin? No, it is the opposite of fat. Then weak is the answer. You can say that he is very strong player, or you can say he is very weak player. So these two are the opposites. So next question is question D. Thick. What is the opposite of that? Find it out from the line. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you find the answer? What is the opposite of thick? See, when I say that your cover of your book is thick, but then the opposite of it is thin. The cover of my book is thin. Or you can say that this page, the page of the classmate notebook is thick. But when you say the pages of the other books are thin. So these are the two opposite, thick and thin. I hope that you have found the same answer. And students, be very careful. Sometimes in the exam questions are twisted. You might get confused. The options might be there in the way that you get confused, you get puzzled. But you have to use your mind. You try to form the sentence. Immediately you will get the answer. Question E. Dull. Okay, so what is the opposite of dull? Boring, lively, or tired? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you say we are feeling very dull, we are feeling very low, that means same. So can you say opposite of dull is boring? No. Boring also means a kind of dull feeling. Can you say tired? No. Lively is the opposite of dull. You can say it's very lively, the class is very lively, right? Now, let us solve few more. Question F. Tight. What is the opposite of that? Close, open, or loose? This pant is very tight to me, or this t-shirt is very tight for me. These socks are very tight in my feet. What is the opposite of that? The correct answer here is loose. See, it was very easy, so I did not give you the time. This pant is tight, but this one is loose, right? I have tied the rope very tight, but this rope which he has tied is very loose. Now next question is late. I came late, or I wake up late in the morning. So what is the opposite of that? Your time starts now. Find out the answer from these three words. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the opposite of late? First. I wake up first. Can you say that? No. Can you say I woke up early? Yes. Opposite of late is early. So I gave you the example. I woke up late today in the morning. But then your friend will say, no, but I woke up early in the morning. Right? Next is wet. W-E-T, wet. When you are full of water, or when anything is full of water. Now say for an example, your book has fallen in your bathtub. It will never happen because you are never so much studious that you take your book to the bathroom. Jokes apart, when your book falls in the bathtub, it becomes wet, full of water, correct? So what is the opposite of that? When your maid or your mom washes the clothes in the washing machine, your clothes, when they come out of the machine, they are wet. Then what happens to them when you keep it under the sunlight? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is dry. So I hope that students, you were writing the same answers as I was doing it before I wrote it, before I highlighted it on the screen. I hope that at least few smart students might have tried to find the answer. Now students, these two questions I am giving you in your homework. Try to solve it on your own. Send it to me personally in my WhatsApp. With this, I end my today's lecture. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.